Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be dropping all the gems that I learned about caring for my starter locks in the first 2 months. In this video, I'm also going to give y'all a how to shampoo your starter locks tutorial. First we'll do the tutorial, and then I'll sit down and talk with y'all about all the things that I did, that I learned within the first 2 months. For my shampoo today, I'll be using the SuesyCoils shampoo bar in the standard shape. I'm also using the fragrance-free version of the bar. For my sensitive girlies, I'm a sensitive girly. The first bar, it's not a lot of fragrance in the first bar, but I did add this fragrance-free option for people who are super sensitive. So, fragrance-free, standard shape, SuesyCoils bar is what I'm using today. I'm also using the SuesyCoils clarifying shampoo, the SuesyCoils conditioner. Now, I know people be like, don't use conditioner on your locks, but my conditioner is super lightweight. It's not like got that thick consistency at all, so it's gonna easily rinse out of your locks. So I'm gonna be using my SuesyCoils conditioner because it's just something about not conditioning my hair that does not sit well with me. I don't care if it's locks, I don't care if it's free curls, I'm conditioning my hair. And then I'll also be using the SuesyCoils hair growth oil, and I do have a liquid leave-in spray conditioner that I've been working on. It's not released yet, has no name, but I'll be using this, and once it's perfect and perfected, I'll be launching it later on. But I gotta make sure it's good, y'all. I'm using the SuesyCoils collection because it's for dry, itchy, flaky scalp. And baby, when I tell you my scalp has been dry, it has been itchy. I don't know if it's a little, is it flaky? No, it ain't even giving all them flakes. Okay, how about that? It's been 3 weeks since I had my last shampoo, and that was when I got my first retwist. And then you're also gonna need a t-shirt. I'm using the t-shirt to dry my hair. But before we actually get into the tutorial, let's look at the hair. Come on. I will be locked 2 full months come just about next week. So this is what 2 months locked is looking like for me. So if y'all want to know what I did to get my hair to start budding and all of that already, y'all gotta wait until the end after the tutorial. Oh, before we get into the tutorial though, I'm also going to sit under my hooded dryer to make sure that my hair is fully dry. I will not be attempting to retwist my own hair. I'm going to wait until my locks get a little more mature for that. So we just sitting under the dryer today. So now let's get into the tutorial. I'll be showing y'all how to shampoo your starter locks using a banding method. The purpose of banding starter locks is to help prevent them from unraveling and to help prevent you from accidentally running your fingers through them, causing them to unravel. You'll need rubber bands as your banding tool. I'm putting my hair into 4 sections, and I'll be using 3 rubber bands per section, 1 near my scalp but not touching it, another in the middle, and 1 at the tips of the hair. Make sure your fingers can access your scalp, seeing as though we need to touch it to shampoo it. Now that my hair is in 4 sections, I'm heading to the sink to shampoo 1 section at a time. I wash, rinse, repeat, and condition each section 1 by 1. Start by fully saturating the section. It should be dripping wet. Next, make sure your bar is soaking wet before you rub it on your scalp. Both the hair and the bar need to be wet, so if you need to wet your hair again before using the bar, go ahead and do that. In circular motions, gently rub the shampoo bar directly to your scalp. Make sure the entire section is covered in shampoo. Now that it's covered in shampoo, place the shampoo bar down and massage the shampoo into your scalp. If you need more shampoo, wet your bar and lather the soap in your hand and apply it to your scalp. Work the second shampoo into your scalp and squeeze the excess shampoo down your locks. Squeezing helps to distribute the shampoo to the hair without running your fingers through it. Thoroughly rinse out the shampoo to prepare for the conditioning process. Take a half dropper of oil and apply it to your scalp, focusing only on the scalp, massage in the oil. Take a dime-sized amount of conditioner and squeeze it into your hair, focusing only on the hair. Use the prayer hands method to help work the conditioner into the hair. Wrap the section of hair and repeat those steps for the next 3 sections. Unwrap each section one by one, keeping the rubber bands in to rinse out the conditioner. Make sure the hair is completely clear of conditioner by squeezing out the excess water. Take your cotton t-shirt to dry your hair, twist and wrap it into a knot. Now that the hair is clean, let's moisturize it and prepare to sit under the dryer. Going section by section, remove the rubber bands from your hair. Gently pull apart your locks. They may try to stick together at the roots. That's called marrying. It's normal. Spray your hair down with leave-in conditioner and gently pull them apart. Apply oil to your scalp and massage it in. Also apply a half dropper of oil into your palm and squeeze it into the section. Make sure you pull apart any locks that try to marry. If you forget this step, your locks will try to lock together and it will be a lot of work to separate them at your retwist. Repeat these moisturizing steps on the next 3 sections. Don't forget to pull apart your locks. Sit under the dryer for about 25 minutes or until your hair is dry. Looking after they've been shampooed, no unraveling. It's still looking pretty good. So that's that. But I do want to say this. So I changed my mind. I'm actually not gonna sit down at the end of this video and give y'all all the tips and jams. I'm just gonna let this be the tutorial video. So if you want the jams, come back. It'll probably be after I get my next retwist, which is next Friday. So I'll probably record it next Friday. So I hope y'all enjoyed the tutorial. I hope the banding method is something that you want to try. I encourage you to try it. And I hope this video gives you guys the courage and the, you know, tenacity to want to shampoo your own locks, because don't let these people sit up here and tell you you don't need to shampoo your locks or your locks don't need to be wet when you first start them because they're gonna unravel. That's just not true in all cases. The water is what really helps them lock. I'm gonna keep saying it because these people telling y'all anything, and I don't want them to be telling y'all anything, but it is a case-by-case basis. If your locks are a lot shorter, maybe they will unravel because it's not, you know, that long of hair, but that does not mean you don't need to shampoo your hair. Shampoo that hair so it can elongate, swell up, elongate, and then swell up, and then when you get that next retwist, you'll see the budding. That's what you want. So don't be listening to these people, listen to me, or, you know, take the best advice that you think works for you. See y'all in the next video.